Right now in 2026, new users signing up for Xero can significantly cut the cost of their first 6 months. In some regions, by a lot, up to 90%. I'm Jonik. Let me walk you through the current offers, how to claim them, and what to watch for so you get the best possible deal. Here's what's available in February 2026 for new customers. In the United States, 90% off the first 6 months on early, growing, or established plans. For example, a mid-tier growing plan drops to under $10 a month during the promo. Check the updated promo code in the description. We update it regularly. In other regions and partner offers, discounts typically land between 75% and 90%, with occasional higher promos through partners. These can often auto-apply, meaning the lower price shows right on the pricing or checkout page without entering a code. Promos vary by country and can change without notice. Always check the official site for your location. Here's how to try for the best discount. First, go to the official Xero site for your country, or a trusted partner or referral link for potentially higher auto-apply offers. Links are in the description below. Second, select your plan. Mid-tier like growing works great for most people. Third, at sign-up or checkout. For many partner or regional offers, the discount shows automatically. That's what auto-apply means. The discounted price appears without a code. If you don't see it, you're likely not on an active promo link. For the US 85% offer, enter code DC238546663 in the promo box and apply it. If the code doesn't work, Xero may have rotated it. I'll keep the latest working one updated in the description. New customers only, base plans, add-ons are extra, and you can cancel anytime. Quick tips. Auto-apply deals via the right link are often the easiest way. After the promo, regular pricing applies, so budget for that. Xero works well for unlimited users, bank feeds, and invoicing. Big upfront savings make it perfect for startups or freelancers. Check your region's page to confirm what's live today. That's how to go after those Xero savings in 2026. Links in the description take you to the correct regional pricing pages or partner offers. Comment which plan you're considering. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. Go check it out now. See you next time.